Hi, my name is Brittany J. Jones. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to do edge stitching. Let's get started. Edge stitching means to stitch really close along the edge of your seam. I have an example of where you may have seen edge stitching if you're not familiar with it. This is a denim jacket, and as you can see, really close to the seam, they have stitching. This is edge stitching, and I'm going to be demonstrating how to do that stitch with this fabric. To edge stitch, you want to stitch really close to your seam. What I've done here is I have stitched together some pieces of fabric here at a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. I opened up the fabric and I pressed the seam allowance to one side. There are special presser feet that you can purchase specifically for edge stitching, but if you do not have that, I'm going to go ahead and show you with a regular pressing foot how you can do edge stitching. You can use a guide on your presser foot that you have to help you create a straight edge stitch. I'm going to place my fabric right here along this first cutout on my presser foot, and this is where I'm going to keep my eye while I am sewing, making sure that my seam stays lined up here while I'm sewing. I have just done my row of edge stitching, and as you can see, this here is the seam and this here is my stitch. This is the right side of the garment, and this is what the inside looks like. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how to do an edge stitch.